Welcome. In this video lecture, I am going to talk about the cycle time versus the lead time. Whether you want to reduce the cycle time or whether you want to reduce the lead time. So, first of all, let's understand what is a cycle time, what is a lead time, and then we will see if you are going to reduce the cycle time, what kind of benefit you will get. If you are going to reduce the lead time, what kind of benefit you are going to get. So first of all, let's talk about what is a cycle time. So how we can define the cycle time? That is basically the time between the completion of two successive units. For example, if I am saying that we have a workstation number one, okay, we have workstation number two, right? And this particular workstation is taking 3 minutes to produce one unit, and this workstation is producing taking 2 minutes to produce one unit. So that means what is the cycle time? So for the cycle time, so if we are saying that each workstation has the number of workers one, so that means this would be the bottleneck operation because it has the maximum cycle time, or you can say this particular workstation is going to have a smaller capacity. So that's why this would be your bottleneck operation, and the cycle time of the entire operation would be the cycle time of the bottleneck operation, that would be 3 minutes. So that means every 3 minutes this particular process is going to produce a single unit. But if we are going to talk about every particular workstation, so this workstation has a cycle time 3 minutes, this workstation has having a cycle time 2 minutes. But overall, if we are going to talk about the entire process, the cycle time of the entire process is the 3 minutes. So now what is the lead time? The lead time, or you can say the manufacturing lead time or the flow time or a throughput time, that is right from start to end. How long would it take to complete a single unit? So that would be 3 plus 2. So that means 5 minutes would be the lead time. Now the question is, if you want to increase the capacity of your process, or you want to increase your production rate or production volume, and you want to increase the sales volume, so that means you have to hit the target of your process cycle, which means you have to identify the bottleneck operation. So bottleneck operation is the operation which having the smallest capacity, or you can say which having the largest cycle time. So we have to focus on the bottleneck operation, and we will try to reduce the cycle time of that bottleneck operation. However, we would be able to increase the capacity of our process, we would be able to increase the production volume or the sales volume. But if you want to reduce the lead time, what kind of benefit you will get? You would be able to reduce the processing time, mean order processing time, or you can say the lead time from order taking to order delivery, and you would be able to reduce the work in process inventory. Okay, you would be able to waiting time or the queuing time, or at the end the customer will be satisfied, because by reducing the lead time, or you can say manufacturing lead time or the throughput time or the flow time, you would be able to deliver the product as quickly as possible. Okay, so I hope you got the idea what kind of benefit you can get if you're going to reduce the cycle time, and what kind of benefit you can get if you're going to reduce the lead time. So it depends on your objective, whether you want to reduce the overall lead time to the customer, so then you have to minimize the lead time. If you want to increase the capacity, you have to reduce the cycle time. So remember that by reducing the lead time, it is not guaranteed that you are able to increase the capacity. But by able to reduce the cycle time, there is clear cut chances that we would also able to reduce the lead time. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.